Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's a squirrel. I'm so easy to be distracted. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. What's going on with my hair? Maybe I put some water or something. I am going to a dance party in San Francisco Asian Art Museum. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me put some water just so that it's not too much out of shape. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Late afternoon. Look at my earring. So I am going to the San Francisco Asian Art Museum. There is a rave party. I don't know why it is called a rave party. It's a music performance. So I was thinking maybe I can go there to have some fun, and I dress up like this. And today I will not ask your opinion about the shoes because this is so very comfortable. Let's see, it's getting cold now. And before that, the earrings. So I just 2 minutes ago made these earrings. And there is green, there is red in the clothes, in the origami paper, and there is a little bit of blue. So I have this little, maybe blue, green, red to match with the color of my dress. And now you will see the shoes. Okay, now you will see the shoes, and it has some flower design on it. So I was thinking it's actually a kind of a splash design. And I think it goes with the color, although it's white background, but it's so very comfortable. You can easily take it off that way and wear it on this way, and so very comfortable. Okay, let's see. This is the dress, and it's getting cold, so I think it's safe to wear something a little bit warmer. Little bit asymmetrical, long, short. Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.